Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be March's, that was really hard to say, I don't know why, March's Boxy Charm haul? Where? Anywhere? I don't know. Now, my box is a little cascabbled. Cascabbled? I made it up. Yep. It's a little in shambles right now because I actually just created a look using these products. So I'm not going to show you the tutorial in this video. I'm actually going to post it for my next video. You know, kill two birds with one stone. So stay tuned. The video should be up in a few days, you know. But obviously you're going to see the products on my face already in this video. I'll kind of tell you how they're wearing. But if you want to see them in action, stay tuned to that video. But anyways, let's just get into it, because there's some really great things in this box this month and I'm really excited about it. So obviously we have a little card here that tells how much everything is worth, so I will try to report back to that and see, you know, what kind of value we have this month. I think my favorite thing in the box, I'm going to start off with this guy right here. This is a liquid eyeshadow and it is by Appeal, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I actually have it on my lids right now, and oh my gosh, when I tell you this is sparkly, girl, it's sparkly. Like, this is glowing. I love the way it looks, and it's wearing really well. I even put a really thick layer on just to see what would happen. It's not cracking on my lids, it's not flaking off, and I've been wearing it for about an hour now, so I really like the formula of this. I want to try more colors. You know me, I like my little my champagne shades, so I might actually order this in champagne because it's freaking gorgeous. And this retails for $21. Next up, which actually looks quite filthy because, like I said, I've already got into this. I have just filthy fingers. When I touch things, I just leave my mark. So it did come in a beautiful cream shade, but I've got little marks all over it already, so no judgment, please. But this is the CoverFX Perfector Face Palette. And I didn't think that I really liked this when I first opened it. I swatched it and I was like, it's okay. But when I actually used it on my face today, like, it's my highlighter today. I don't know if you can actually see it because the sun's going down. I've been trying this whole like natural lighting thing, and I don't know if I liked it or not, so let me know what's up. But yeah, it's actually like a really beautiful highlight. You see that right there? Yes. I actually used this shade right here on my upper cheekbones. I used this shade right here in my inner tear duct area, and it's just gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this bad boy. Great travel palette. And that retails for, ooh, $45. Yes, please. Alright, moving on, we have some brushes. You guys know that I love brushes. I actually have quite an addiction, but I do need some new ones. I think that my brushes are getting a little shabby, and not to mention my cat. I don't know what she does when I'm sleeping, but when I'm sleeping, I swear to you, she'll sneak into my room and just like rub up against my brushes. So therefore, the next day when I apply my makeup, I get these little cat hairs embedded into my foundation. At first, I tried to pick them off, but you know, it just happens so commonly that it's just become part of me. You know what I mean? Like, I just like, it'll fall off eventually. Is that disgusting? Too much information. Okay, I understand. So we've got these two. I like the way they look. They're really pretty. It's kind of like a metallic pink shade. This one right here will be great for highlighter, possibly. Let's see. It is definitely more on the fine side. It's not a very dense brush at all, but I can tell that it's synthetic. This would be very nice to just kind of dust a little something across the cheekbone. I think that that'll fit perfectly. And then I also got this one. Once again, not super dense, but really nice quality. Like, I definitely think this will definitely be great for powder. Yeah, I quite like it. Those brushes retail for $29.99 for two of those. Oh my. Woo. Okay. Up next, we have this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Monaco. I do have it on my lips currently. I layered it over, I don't know where my other liquid lipstick is, but I have Bumble on by ColourPop, and then I put it over top of that because it is more of a metallic, and I do overdraw my lips a little bit, so I don't want to overdraw with a metallic lipstick because it'll like look really weird. So I do a matte lipstick first, and then I'll pop a little bit of this in the center. I will say it's a little bit drying, and the metallic kind of wears away after a while, so it kind of has like a sheen to it, but it is definitely a matte formula. It's not glossy, it's not creamy, it's very, very matte. The lipstick runs for $20. Can I read? $20. And last but not least, I'm so excited for this. First of all, like, this packaging is stunning. I don't even want to use it because it's so pretty, but this is by Wander Beauty, and it's called Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So it's a gommage mask, which in my mind, gommage is like a mask that dries on your skin and you just kind of slough it off like this and it peels off. I don't know if this is like that, because you might just peel it off in one big piece, but I used to do facials in the salon that I worked at, and gommage was something that you just kind of sloughed off and it just kind of took the dead skin off with the mask. So I'll kind of mess around with this and see. I have not tried this yet, but let's see what it smells like. That's child-proof. Come on. I don't know what to describe it as, but it's a nice light scent. Nothing that'll give you like a headache. This guy retails for $34. I know I say this every single month, but I'm going to say it again. This is probably one of my favorite boxes because I love this liquid eyeshadow so much. It's just so pretty. Really great product, and I love the little Cover FX palette. I feel like that's just a good enough value in its own. Like I said, when I swatched it at first, I was like, ugh. I don't know what I'm going to do with this finishing powder right here because it actually has a lot of glitter in it, and I don't think I'm going to use that. Let's... Oh, it might just be a layer of glitter over the top of it and then it's matte underneath. I think that that's what the deal is. So I'll just kind of give this a test and let you guys know what's up with it in the future, but I do really like the highlights in this, the blush colors, very creamy, nice formulas. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell button and that will notify you every time that I post a new video. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.